Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to do an unboxing and a short presentation of a booster seat from Graco. It's the model Connext. This is how it looks like. This is the box. As you can see, we have some technical characteristics of the booster. On this side we have some specifications and instructions on how to use it. Here we have a picture with the booster. Basically this is the booster, and here we have the color, and here we have other specifications of the booster, and here on top of the box we have a label with product code and so on. So let's jump inside the box to see what we can find in there. So let's open it. So this is how the box looks like, and this is what we find inside the box. I cannot take it out with one hand, so I need to pause the video for one moment. Okay, so this is the booster. So basically we have this strap here that will adjust the seatbelt, the car seatbelt height. We have some user manuals. We have this paper here with some instructions about how to use it. Okay, and this is the booster. On this side we have some indications about how to install it and how to use it. The materials are very soft. I like the fact that it's black and you don't see the dirt. Okay, here we have other specifications. This is the back of the booster. Here we have other specifications, the serial number and so on. Basically here you can put the user manual if you want. And these are the Isofix straps. As you can see here, this will go into the Isofix connectors in your car and will keep the booster in place. But I'll show you later in the car how it looks like. Okay, so basically this is the Graco booster. And here we have the connectors. Well, basically you connect this part here into the Isofix mount in your car, and then you adjust by pulling this strap here. But I'll show you in the car. Okay, let's take it to the car. Okay guys, so now we have the chair here in the car. Okay, this is the Isofix support in the car. This is the Isofix mount on the booster. Okay, here as you can see you have a small locking mechanism in order to adjust the length of this strap and to block the Isofix mechanics. So what you need to do first, you need to make sure that you put this in the right position. You need to take this, fix it in your Isofix mount in the car. Okay, now it's fixed, and now all you need to do is to pull this strap. I cannot do it with one hand because with one hand I'm keeping the phone, but all you need to do is to pull this strap and it will automatically lock. Okay, and then the chair will look like this. This is the adjustment for the seat belt of the car. So basically you put the seat belt of the car here and adjust the seat belt in order to be perfect for your kid. And this is it. This is how it looks like on the car. It's very compact. The materials are very soft. I think the kid will stay very comfortable in this chair. Okay, if you like it, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.